Hello first grade, Mr. Mush here. So this week we learned about positive and negative space. So I'm going to show you what I mean by positive and negative space, and we're going to just do a simple drawing of shapes and using complementary colors. So let's get started. So you want your paper to be hot dog style, up and down. I'm going to write my name in the corner, as should you. I'm going to flip my paper over, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw a big T. I'm going to draw a line going down the middle like this, and a line going down the opposite way like that. So it should make 4 spaces. Now you're going to draw 3 geometric shapes, and I know that you know what geometric shapes are, and we are going to draw 3 geometric shapes in each spot. But these 2 are going to be the same, and these 2 are going to be the same. So I'm going to do circle, triangle, square. Circle, triangle, square. Now, if you don't like these shapes, come up with your own shapes, okay? And I'm going to do some geometric shapes down here. I'm going to do heart, rectangle, hexagon. Remember, hexagon has 6 sides. Heart, rectangle, hexagon, okay? So the positive space is the shapes because they are taking up the space, and the negative space is the space around it. So you're going to find 2 complementary colors. I'm going to use red and green. They're best friends. Or you could use yellow and purple. They're best friends. Or blue and orange. They're best friends. So I'm going to color in my shapes here, orange. I'm going to color them in green, right? And then I'm going to do the opposite on the other side. I'm going to do these ones red. Just like this. And then I'm going to do the same thing, but I'm going to do the opposite. I'm going to do red on this side. I'm going to do red on this side, and then I'm going to do green on the opposite side, like this. Pretty simple. This is just showing you the positive and negative space. And in art, we use positive and negative space for designs and patterns, kind of like the examples I showed. Okay. And then, just gotta finish this one. And then what you do is you take the opposite color and you shade around it. So here I'm gonna use my red and fill in the negative space because the shapes are green. So I'm gonna do the same down here. Just like that. And then I'm gonna take the green and do it right here for the red shapes and fill in my negative space. And be careful when you're shading in. Like, I just ripped my paper, and that's okay. I'm going to fix it with tape when I'm done here, but make sure you take your time and you don't rip your paper like I did. And there you go. There's my positive and negative space. So that's what you need to do. Remember, if you want to use different shapes, use different shapes. And if you want to use different complementary colors, use the different complementary colors. All right? So with that being said, first grade, I hope you have fun with this and take care.